towards the conclusion, हमारे traditions हैं कि एक तो because you know our audience watches this episode, हम उनको कुछ देना चाहते हैं इसमें. You have to announce a giveaway that somebody can win through a social media competition. So based on whatever you decide to give away, हम एक competition design करेंगे and then people can participate in it and then you know we'll choose a winner. So what is it that you would like to give away?
I think I'd be very happy to offer some sort of cash benefit if someone is able to do something really well out of that opportunity.
But how would you like to identify that winner then? Because कैश के मामले में तो बहुत अब एंट्रीज महंगी है, लेकिन हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि राइट काइंड ऑफ टैलेंट को हम ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं? डू यू वांट देम टू डू maybe carry out some interesting research और you know कुछ और इस तरह की?
I would think कि अगर हम कोई ऐसी चीज़ के people who can make sense of the data from the available data points that I can point out. I think that is something that is really missing in Pakistani sort of ecosystems. So data भी available है, data easy form में available भी कर दिया गया है, मगर younger generation और older generation alike हम उस data को से sense नहीं बना सकते. So a competition that identifies an issue and then asks people to use resources to write something that is data rich, and then maybe there is a referee group of referees who can decide on that.
Then how about we do it this way कि आप शुरू में एक वेबसाइट का नाम मेंशन कर रहे थे?
बिल्कुल, Gallup Pakistan Digital Analytics.
ठीक है, so people can go over there, choose a data set that they like, and then they can either write about it or they can make a video about it. Just that can you know help in making sure कि awareness उसके ऊपर
that would be amazing.
And then we can choose the best content.
That sounds like a great plan.